Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix problem when you want to install Call of Duty Mobile, but you can't seem to find it on your Google Play Store using Samsung Galaxy A33. So in order to fix that, we'll need to open our Google Play Store, but first let's try finding the Call of Duty. So here I want to write Call of Duty, and there's no game. So in order to find it, we'll need to go back and press on our profile icon, then go to Settings, go to Family, Parental Controls, and from here there's two ways to fix that. The first one is to just disable parental controls, and here you will need to type in your PIN, then select OK. The second way is to go to Apps and Games, enter your PIN, and from here go to PEG I18, like that. Now press Save, go back and try finding Call of Duty again, and it's visible. You can press Install in order to install it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.